What's up, guys? I'm back. You see something different? Hey, I'm in a new car. I got a 2013 Scion FRS. I know you guys probably wondering what happened to my last car. You know, the Lancer, aka Lexi. But here's the backstory. I was going to get my car lowered. Well, lowered some more. And I was on my way back. It started snowing like crazy. I don't know, I think I just hit black ice, lost control, and went to the median, and bam. It was cool at first, cause like, it was just a front tire, but you know, other than that, you know, I would have been good. I could have just changed the tire out, I'd been good, you know, A1, yeah, whatever. But and then like, I was about to get out, literally like 5 seconds, another car do the same thing and ran right into the back of me. Car gone. They totaled it out, whatever. But let's get to this car.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
See, ain't she just pretty? I hope you guys like that. But today's video, I'm removing badges. That's what we're doing today. So let's get to it. So I got my heat gun, some new badges. We're removing this one, and the 86 ones. Just replacing both of those on each side. And that's good. There we go. Well, now I gotta get all the adhesive off, so I'm gonna just keep warming it up. Glue gun and a microfiber towel to get the rest of this stuff off. We'll put a little bit of this glue gun. Oh man, childproof. I don't want it to go. There we go. Squirt a little thumb on that. That's probably more than enough. I think it'd be better if I heat this up again. These stickers on. So I'm gonna heat this up. Use some of that glue gun to get this off. See if that works. Small circles. Maybe I'll just let it sit on there. Let's see if that works. Oh, that's probably bad. I'll be right back. I'll finish this. And there we go. Got the FRS off. Clean. Oh, it looks good. Now I just gotta get that Scion one off. Let's get that one off. And let's go get the 86 ones off on the side. And I'm debating on getting the one off the front. I'm getting the one off the front. Let's get that off. Let's do it. So now let's get started on the Scion one. Let's heat that bad baby up. Works. Need more heat on this baby. You know what? I'm gonna get a card. There we go. Okay. Let's get back to I'll get back to you guys when this is gone. There we go. Got all the emblems off the back, and now it looks super clean. Mint baby. Some things. The glossy black ones. See, that'd be way better. I'm just doing this, I can do the other side, bam, I can do it on. That's how it should look when you're done. I'm gonna do the other side like this, and we can put those glossy black emblems on. Oh yeah. There we go, front emblem is gone. Got two little holes there, but hey, you can barely see them. But that looks good. But I'm about to clean up all these with alcohol, and let's get it so we can put these new black emblems on the side right here. Let's get it. Got my alcohol and some napkins. I'm about to wipe them all down and then, you know, clean it all up, and then we can put these black emblems on. Let's get it. Good. Good. Isn't that good? I want a good bond with that. All you do is peel off the back end, put it on. Damn. Oh, that should look good. Let's get it. And there we go. It looks way better. Okay guys, that's all like literally you do. So I'll make sure I put everything in the description below, like, you know, the emblems and stuff like that. Make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey, live your life and grow. That's all you need to do. Yeek. Yeah.